I intended to buy Buraida, but her master stipulated that her wala that means inheritance should be for them. When the Prophet ﷺ was told about it, he said to me, buy and manumit her, as the wala is for the liberator. Once Buraida was given some meat, and the Prophet asked, what is this? I said, it has been given to Buraida in charity. He said, it is charity for her, but a gift for us. Buraida was given the option to stay with her husband or to part with him. Abdur Rahman, a sub-narrator, wondered, was her husband a slave or a free man? Shubha Rahmatullah Alayhi said, I asked Abdur Rahman whether her husband was a slave or a free man. He replied that he did not know whether he was a slave or a free man. Al-Hadith Bukhari Sharif, Volume 3, Book number 47, Hadith number 752.